Well, good morning and welcome back to my channel. It's been about 10 days since I put my fall starts out, and they are looking relatively well. And a few of the pots, like this one, it looks like there's something eating them. So I'm going to go ahead and do a mixture of BT and Castille soap, and I'm going to spray the plants, give them a preventative spraying so that it doesn't get too bad like we see here on my Swiss chard. And a little bit here on the cabbage. So there's something in the soil that is eating my plants. So we're going to do some preventative maintenance so that it take care of that. I've also started to see white flies flying around again, so before they get to be too much of an issue, we're going to take care of it. Here's the BT that I was telling you about, and here's Castille soap. Both of these are on my Amazon storefront, and you can get them from there. Here's my 2-gallon pump sprayer. Gonna pour some of the Castille soap in. And some of the BT. Now we're going to pump it up and spray. And spray the underside of the leaves as well as the soil itself. And next, I'm going to do my green stalk planter. These are string beans or green beans that I'm spraying here. And the reason that we use the Castille soap, personally, I like the smell of it. It's all natural, as opposed to using Dawn or something like that. But the main reason is that it will stick to the plants, and when I spray the plants, the insects that are there will also stick to the plant, and the BT will do the rest by killing them. Okay. Here are my Chinese cabbage. And again, we're going to do the same thing, spray the underside of the leaves as well as the soil. Brussels sprouts. Collard greens. My Marconi peppers. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and finish spraying the peppers. I'm sorry, the plants. And then I'm going to come and do some harvesting of some cucumbers real quick. Okay, I have some cucumbers that I have to get, and they are very much taller than I am. So I'm going to use my step ladder to try to get up, to reach them. Don't laugh at me. Oh, have to pick that one back up. That one's not ready. That one's not quite ready. That one's not quite ready. We're going to get some of my Marconi peppers. Bunch of these forming, but a lot of these aren't ready to cut just yet. Okay, I think that's it for now. Well, we got a pretty decent harvest. We got some Katrina cucumbers. We got some Marconi peppers. And we got one piece of Gold Coast okra. Overall, I'm satisfied with it, and we'll figure out what we can do with the pepper, with the cucumbers. I'm probably going to make a cucumber, tomato, and onion salad that will last us for a couple of days, 2 or 3 days, and that should take care of all of the cucumbers. I want to thank you for coming along with me while we got our harvest for today. The main purpose of today was to do some preventative maintenance and spraying of my plants using BT and the Castille soap in my hand pumper. So if you got something out of the video, give me a big thumbs up. If you're interested in any of the products, head over to my Amazon storefront where you can purchase it. If you're interested in any of the seeds or anything like that, you can head over to my website, and there are links for the company that I bought them from. And just remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a lot of food for yourself and your family. You can take the time and effort to grow it and save yourself the money, as opposed to going to your local grocery store and paying these exorbitant amount of prices for stuff that you can grow yourself. So just food for thought. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. First and foremost, it's free. Secondly, I can grow a lot of food for myself and my family, but I can't grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content, and the algorithm that YouTube uses will make my video be seen more. Also, if you want to be involved in a small space gardening group, head over to Small Space Gardening on Facebook, where you'll meet like-minded individuals such as yourself that like gardening but are only limited by space. So until next time, always remember, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. And remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.